Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a stop loss on MetaTrader 4. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you will be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see lots of forex options to trade. So let me select any of them, and once you tap over there you'll be able to see the trade option at top. So just simply tap on it. And now in here you can see the stop loss at left side just right above the take profit option. So you can set your stop loss over here, and now once you set up your stop loss, simply click on or tap on sell or buy and you'll be able to set up stop loss successfully. So basically this is how you can set up stop loss on MetaTrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.